Hello everyone, welcome to our project presentation for the Indradhanu International Grand Challenge Hackathon conducted by PCCOE Pune. We are the Team Eco4ce participating under the theme AI for the Climate Change. Myself, Parth Suryavanshi, team leader of EcoForce, along with my team members Om Mate, Aditi Savle, Gayatri Gaikwad. Today, we present our project Smart Climate Monitoring and Prediction System. The system continuously monitors the real-time environmental condition, analyzes the climate pattern, and uses AI to generate accurate predictions and timely alerts. Our solution is designed to help citizens, farmers, and local authorities by providing advanced warnings about changing weather and potential climate risks. Based on these alerts, they can take right decision, plan ahead, and reduce the impact of adverse conditions. With this project, Team Eco4ce aims to use artificial intelligence to make the communities safer and more prepared and more climate resilient. For this project, we have taken the data from the OpenWeather Map API and using the data processing and the machine learning algorithm like the LSTM to work on the data and to get the processed data and to have the conclusions and the insights from this, so we can give that insights and predict the climatic conditions and can reduce the impact of the climate change. Let's take closer look at how our system works. The home page of our system shows the temperature, humidity, air quality, expected rain, and heat advisory. It uses the real-time monitoring, AI powered predictions, risk alerts, and smart insights based on it. Let's come to our dashboard. On the monitoring, we have considered the 6 regions: Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, and Kolkata. Of all these cities, we can get the temperature, humidity, rainfall, air quality, soil moisture, and wind speed in the kilometer per hour. This data is taken from the OpenWeather Map API and it's real-time data for that current instant. Based on the data collected, we are plotting the graphs of the temperature, humidity, air quality index to get the statistical analysis of it. We have taken the air quality index of we are predicting from that particular region for the 6 hours prior. Likewise, the rainfall distribution, weekly rainfall distribution in the on the x-axis we have the days of the weeks, and on the y-axis we have the rainfall in the millimeter. Coming to the predictions, what we are predicting the data based on by using the algorithms like the LSTM, by using a time series prediction, we are predicting based on the data collected like heavy rainfall, heat wave, and the impact on the date which it will be predicted based on the time temperature forecast, rainfall in the which will be predicted for example, considering the data which is collected at the 10th of November and the 6 days prior till the 16th of the November, all the predictions are taken within this system, unlike the normal traditional other weather apps or in the 14 days based on the data from which we are collecting. And all this we can get the extreme events, and based on that we are giving the alerts and the insights. Coming to the insight, these are the smart recommendations and the insight which our system is giving. They are categorized into the 3 categories for the farmers, citizens, and local authorities. For considering the example of the farmer, for example, heat wave safety measure or the optimization of the irrigation schedule. If the rainfall is expected in the 3 days, then farmer can reduce their irrigation to avoid the clogging of their farm. For the citizens, if there is a reduce in the air quality precautions in that particular city, then we are referring that use of the N95 mask, or the people who have the respiratory problem, they should avoid outdoor activities. For the local authorities, the flood preparedness protocol or the something which regarding the alerts are given to them, like the alert, all the alerts from which our system are delivered, like active alerts and the critical alerts, critical warnings. The alerts like thunderstorm warning in the Chennai, drought condition developing in the Pune because of the rainfall is decreasing. This such type of the alerts are categorized based on the data which is sensed in the current scenario. considering we have also provided a map in which the 6 locations which we have we have considered are pointed on the map, and based on that critical situations, the red, orange and the yellow zones are reflected. In that we are listing the temperature, rainfall, air quality index data of each of these 6 major regions which we have considered. Based on that, we can see the details of that particular area, that air quality index, and how much it's in the risk. If it's in the risk, then the red color is indicated to high, the danger, orange to the moderate, yellow to the slight, and the green to if there is no risk. For example, we can see that we can get the clear insight. For example, Mumbai, so we can see the temperature, rainfall in the mm, particular data. This data we have collected from the Indian Meteorological Department. Likewise, of all the cities we can see. Based on that, the admin the dashboard where the user can see all the temperature, humidity, rainfall and air quality index regarding this. And also we have, based on the time series prediction, we have given the 30 days historical trend data, tracing the history back, and temperature, we have temperature, air quality index and all the things, and monthly climate comparison from the current month to the previous 6 months, comparing the temperature and the rainfall. Our system mainly proposed to take the to read the data, get the proper insights from it, and recommend the users of our system. Currently we have considered the 6 regions, and we are delivering the data based on it. We have provided the contact and feedback support, where the user of the system can query or can ask the help inquiry, or I can ask the help regarding the prediction or the climate related data if he wants, or the recommendation related to he wants. In the input fields, we have provided the subject and the message where he can enter and can send the message to us. He can enter his contact details, so we can provide him support. We have also provided him a frequently asked question, how the predictions work, how can he report a local weather, or something updated. Now I am into the admin panel. We have listing the total users to get the proper how many users are on our system, and also we can add the user to our system. We can refresh the page to get the current data, and can model all the performance over a time. We can import that